It's a really cool looking thing right there. Really cool looking. Oh, look at that. I don't even know what that is. But there's been some mud dauber activity in there at some point in time. You can see them on the wall. Woods out through there. I've been meaning to walk this up there, and I can tell you the ground underneath my feet is crunching. It's so cold out here. So anyway, this is the tobacco trail. And I think people walk on this because apparently you can see a trail, so. And this iPhone looks sharp. And my iPhone 11 wasn't bad, but there's a difference between a 15 and an 11. There really is. Let's go down here just a little bit. Test out this new iPhone footage, and then I might go down the Greenway, the tobacco trail, and shoot a little bit of video with my GoPro. Just wanted to test the iPhone out and see how it looks. Car is way back there. Let's do a little boop. There she is.